Hey everyone, Ashley here, and this is the look we're going to be creating today using the Natasha Denona Pastel palette and Glam palette. The first thing I'm going to do is apply the Urban Decay Primer Potion all over my eyelids with the wand, and then blend it out with my finger using tapping motions, have an even coating all over the lid. With an E22 brush from ColourPop in the shade Transition from Natasha Denona, I'm applying this into my crease and outer corner, just adding a color to be blended into. I'm creating a V shape in the outer corner, blending out the edges so there's a soft transition between my skin tone and the transition color. This can be kind of a messy application. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I'm just blending it towards the inner corner and outer corner, and then creating that V shape in the outer corner at the same angle of my lower lash line. I'm applying some to the lower lash line as well. Next, with the E22 brush again, I'm using the shade Crease from the same palette and concentrating this lower and tighter into the outer corner, just adding a little bit of depth. I'm also blending it a little bit towards the center of my eye, maintaining that V shape in the outer corner, and then blending into the transition color, using little swiping and circular motions on the edge, focusing the main concentration of the color into the outer corner, and then blending it inwards a little bit. With an E29 brush from ColourPop and the shade Brisk from the Pastel palette from Natasha Denona, I'm patting this on the inner corner of my eye, applying it to the upper and lower portion of the inner corner, and then softly blending the edges, kind of just spreading the color out, using little feathering motions and a light hand on the edges to diffuse it out. Again, with the same E29 brush in the color Mint Frost, I'm applying this to the center of my lid, and then softly blending it into the mint shade in the inner corner and the brown in the outer corner, using a light hand to just feather everything out. I'm going to go back in with this color a little bit darker with a setting spray, so I'm using this as the first phase of blending it out, kind of just packing on the color and slowly building it up, wiping away the fallout, and then spraying my brush with the NYX setting spray, and then dipping back into the shadow and applying this to the center of the eyelid to kind of have like a spotlight effect. Next, with the roller liner from Benefit, I'm lining my waterline. Next, with this dark blue liner from Hard Candy, I'm starting by drawing a line upwards at the same angle of my lower lash line, and then slowly feathering it towards the center of my eye, making the line closer to my lash line as I bring it in, and then filling in the outer portion, and then feathering it towards the inner corner and drawing on an inner corner wing. Here I'm just kind of cleaning everything up. I'm going back in with a second coat and just making sure my line is very precise. Applying a coat of anti-gravity mascara to my upper and lower lashes. Next, with Bali Lashes in the style Lola. And that completes the look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe down below and tap the notification bell to be notified of the next time I post. And if you did enjoy the look, I'd love if you could tap the like button. It does help out my channel, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you.